What's up everybody, it's your girl Salam Simon, and today I am here to educate you about the current realities of Eritreans. What really is happening? What's the difference between the supporters and between the Blue Revolution? Let me tell you something. Come closer and I'll tell you everything you need to know. First of all, the supporters would come to places like Canada, America, and other places as refugees, and they portray themselves as someone who is lost home. And usually the meaning of refugee is somebody that does not have a place of home that he or she can live peacefully at their own place. Therefore, these people would come to this place because they've got zero home, or they got kicked out of their home like myself, and they write a whole case on why they deserve to become a refugee. And once they come here, the Canadian government is like, all right, come on in, don't worry about it, we'll accept you as you are, because they're generous. And once they're here, though, essentially they become part of the propaganda, and the government would actually make them pay 2% of their incomes to persecute their own families. And these people, I don't know what the trade-off for them is, and I don't know what the benefit they get, but they support him, and they're like, yeah, no problem, I'll pay you 2% of my taxes, no problem. And yeah, you can kill my families there, it's okay, they can stay in the prison forever, I don't give a shit. Yeah, like, take my money, it's all good, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna have the red flag in me, I'm just gonna dance every single time there's a festival, and that way I can show really what my identity is. That's how they think. Blue Revolution is saying enough to the propagandas and to all the indoctrination that the government does in this first world country, and they genuinely believe that I am a refugee because I lost my home. I cannot live in peace in my home. And now, what the Blue Revolution believes is that I can fight for my people and say no to oppression. So listen to this video. You might be Eritrean, you may not be Eritrean, but how can you contribute to this movement? So basically, as a member of the Blue Revolution, what I'm asking you to do is, first of all, be aware of the situation that's happening. If you're Eritrean, I want you to join me in this movement, and if you're not Eritrean, I also want you to join as an ally and support for human rights, because if you're a woman, if you're a man, every single person in Eritrea is literally suffering right now, and what we're doing is that we are compelled to fight for the human rights in back home. And so who doesn't want to support for something that's beautiful, for something that's fighting for justice and truth, and mainly saving people? And if you're a Christian, because I'm a Christian too, I want you to be part of this movement and fight for the people that are suffering, because they are persecuted for their beliefs in back home in Eritrea. So I want you to join this movement, be part of us, I want you to ally with us, help us out, and we are moving forward to make sure that there's constitution and human rights in our back home in Eritrea. So thank you so much for listening to my video, and I look forward to educating you more. And I want you to follow me at Unfiltered Eritrea, or in my Twitter at Salam Mele. Bye bye.